Sa ibabaw. Ano yung bago bridge?
New York Canada. Border.
Kung ano to, Rainbow Bridge to.
It took 7.5 years.
See?
Wow.
240 million. A team started on the left in Arizona. A team started on the right in Nevada. They met in the middle,
Border.
and they were off
Arizona.
less than 1/8 of an inch.
Gambay na kayo. Gambay na kayo.
Arizona and Nevada.
Hindi mo good.
Now that bridge is 30,000 cubic yards of concrete. 30,000.
Sa ginaw.
Your Hoover Dam is 4.5 million cubic yards. So 30,000 on the bridge, 4.5 million. That checkered pattern are the boxes they stack to build the wall up. Each one's 2.5 feet, making it hard for a person to get stuck.
Oh, this one, no?
The height of the dam is 726 feet tall, 1,244 feet across. The base of the dam from river to river is 660 feet thick. So it's almost as thick as it is high.
Basic ito. Timing. Ha? Nag-purpose ka? Control yung ito.
On the left are two giant statues.
Tulog ka dam, nag-create ng market. Sinama, isa ba na wala?
These are bronze statues.
Wala na karoon ng tulog. Patay na kanina. Mamalay lahat ng tubig sa Manila.
Unsa man?
Dam sa Pilipinas.
Singalan sa tundam.
Kamisa.
Dam sa Tamisa.
Right here on the
Tulo
left,
na
yeah.
kabuk.
They're sitting on a memorial for the guys that lost their lives while working there.
Tulo na kabuk sa Marcos. Dili si BBM. Marcos.
Ay pa kadiri.
On the left are two towers called intake towers. They would suck in the water and feed the turbines. When the dam was full, these intakes were pulling in 90,000 gallons a second. 90,000 gallons. The water was all the way up to the start of that dark line.
Wow.
It's just 5 feet from the top. Now, we don't have a chance to walk the dam here. I suggest walking to this spot where this guy in the pink shirt is right here. That's the state marker. We're in 2 states at the same time right here.
What
What is that? Water?
Yeah, that's water. That's dam.
Now we're in Arizona.
State line.
Nevada and
6 months out of the year,
Arizona.
time is different because Arizona doesn't do daylight savings. So that's why there's a clock on it.
Wow, welcome to Arizona.
But it's the same time, right? We're in strange outfits in the dam. Strange outfits. Like you're wearing that to the dam? What is wrong with people?
Strange thing happening here.
There's a giant spillway tunnel right here on the right. I suggest walking out over it when you get out. But you can peek over it right now and look right down the giant tunnel. They use these tunnels to make sure that water wouldn't come over the top of the dam and divert it around it. A spillway and overflow. They were only used in 83. So they're only near water side.
Okay. Amerika pa ba?
Spanish pa. American ano?
Awan mo ito.
Wala sa dam na siya.
Mr. Boy.
Arizona.
Sports car.
Mr. Boy. Oh, no.
15 minutes na daw ta dire.
Grabe mo buhat sila na.
Hindi ko na pa pwede maglakaw, magkagan. Sa mag-picture, magkagan na. Kaya dali rin ang oras. Yung ano eh. Kung dirito ako pa, layo kita mong bakla. Natanawa lagi, dali lagi. So you can see that tunnel. Oh my God.
Oh.
Big tunnel. Wow. Ay, dili pa ko eh.
Uy, we're not going out na.
Ipakita ang tala.
Yeah,
Ganun mo.
I'm not going out.
No.
No, we're not going out. We're just looking.
Come on,
But we are
Yeah.
going to drive down to that parking lot.
Let's get the
right down
pictures.
there where people are walking right above it, and we're going to park in that parking lot.
Okay, jump shot guys.